Welcome to the channel, everyone. Today got another part for the 2009 2500 HD, and here it is. Got a set of these cheap eBay / Amazon running boards for the truck, and these are steel. And I just kind of like the off-road look that they have to them. The ones on the truck are okay, they function okay, but they're not black, and they kind of have an older 90s type look to them that I really don't like. So I picked these up for what I paid for them. I think they're fine. They're steel, and I think they're going to work fine for a step. So we'll see how durable this coating is on there. If that is going to rub off or flake off or whatever, we'll see, I guess. For what I paid for them, you know, they last me a few years, I'll be happy. But these are actually, I ordered these for a crew cab instead of the extended cab because I wanted the boards to go a little further into the bed. So we'll see how that works out. I may have screwed up, but it is worth a shot, like I said, for as cheap as these are. So you get instructions here, and you get mounts and stuff like that. And these actually mount to the rocker panel, or the inside of the rocker panel, with brackets like that. So same as the other boards that are on it. I have never had a truck, or I haven't had a truck in a long time, that actually had rocker panels to bolt to, so this is going to be a nice treat for me. So this isn't real complicated, guys. They got a few bolts and stuff, and U-bolts that go inside the rocker panel and stuff. So it's not rocket science. So first thing I got to do is actually get these old ones off. And I don't think it's going to be too hard. Okay, so I got the old boards off, and I'm in the shop now. I had to get out of the sun. It's getting warm, so I'm tempted just to leave everything off there and just leave it like that. That's a really clean look there, but I guess I got the boards, so I'll install them, but it don't get no cleaner than that, I guess. Okay, guys, so I got my brackets here. This is what's going to hold the running board right here. This is going to go into the back of your rocker panel. You've got these nuts right here that clip onto holes on your rocker panels, and they've got bolts that go on there. So it's pretty easy. Pretty simple. So I'm going to get all my brackets on this one side and see how everything goes. Okay, so I got my brackets in place. Now I got to get the board up there. You're not supposed to tighten up anything until everything is installed. I've got to install these pieces right here in the running board like that. That's just going to hold it down. I've got one there, so I'm gonna, I guess, test fit this running board. Hopefully it fits on there. Because like I said, I ordered this for a crew cab instead of the extended cab because I wanted a longer board. So we'll see right now if I screwed up or not. Okay, so there it is, all mocked up into place. It sticks out a little farther than I would like right now, but I think once I get my bigger tires, it'll all work out. It seems a little better for getting inside, having it out a little farther. But it all worked out. The crew cab one is working out for this truck, no problem. You can see it comes out farther into the bed, which is what I wanted. I didn't want it just to stop at the bed. I wanted it to kind of flow. So I'm happy with this so far. I got to tighten everything up now. And yeah, I think my camera's messing up because everything's black now, but yeah, I'll tighten everything up. I gotta go do the other side and probably get it out and take some pictures, and I'll probably run them for a few days and then I'll tell you what I think about them. Okay guys, so after running these steps for a little bit and looking at the truck with them, I do like these steps. I like them a lot better than the other steps that were on it. When I see pictures of the other steps, I really don't like those other steps. These are much better. I like the fact that they are black and they kind of blend in. I'm undecided if I'm gonna move them in a little further. So I may move them in. I may use my other brackets. I think the other brackets that were on the truck they will move the step in a little bit. So I might clean those up, put that back on, and move them in a little bit, or I might modify these mounts. I got to get my tires first. Once I get my other tires on here, I'll decide where the step is gonna go. I can't do it right now because I don't know where where my tires are gonna end up. So, but overall, I'm happy with it, guys. Now, I did get the crew cab step, so it's longer and it does go further onto the bed. The only problem with that is there's not a whole lot of support out here for it. So it's not like you're gonna put not like a 250-pound guy is gonna step on that, because it just isn't enough support. The last support is right there, so I'm not going to use that as like a step. It's more of a looks thing, to where you know, it just didn't just end at the cab there. I wanted it to kind of flow with the truck more. But anyway, guys, so there's a look at them. Like I said, with what I paid for them, I'm happy with them. I'll have a link to these steps, guys. It'll be in the description and the comment section, so if you want to go check them out, you can. That's going to do it for this one, guys. I'll see you.